Good morning, students of class 6. I am going to teach you all the subject general knowledge. Today we will start with the first chapter, our national flag. Our national flag. The tricolor is the national flag of India. All of you all know that our national flag has three colors. Our national flag has three colors. The top band is saffron color. Saffron color indicates the strength and courage of our country. Middle band is white color. White indicates peace and truth with a dharma chakra. Green color. Green color indicates the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. It is one of the national symbols of our country and is loved and respected by every Indian. As we Indians, we should always respect and love our own national flag. A flag code is a set of laws that governs and usage of a flag. Let us read some of the laws of the code and make sure that we follow them when we hoist the Indian national flag. Now, we will read the points that we should do when we are flying or we are hosting our national flag. The Indian national flag, the national flag of India, shall be made of hand spun and hand woven. That means we have to made our national flag hand spun and hand woven, made of wool, cotton, silk, khadi and bunting. It shall be rectangular in shape. This is the rectangular shape. The length of the flag should be 3.2 centimeter. The national flag can be kept flying also at night, subject to the restriction that the flag should be hoisted in a tall flagpole and be well illuminated. So it can be hoisted at night also on a tall flagpole. The Indian national flag may be hoisted in educational institution and on important national, culture and sports events to inspire respect for the flag. As we in our school, we have this flag ceremony on 26th January and on 15th August. We have this flag ceremony, and also as you all have seen on a sports day, we have this flag hoisting ceremony. Now, what we don't have to do while we are hoisting a flag. It should not be used for commercial gain. The national flag should not be used as a drapery in any form. What is the meaning of drapery, children? Drapery means hanging. Okay? Hanging down like a curtain. Loose hanging. The Indian flag should not be internationally allowed to touch the ground or trail in water. A damaged Indian national flag should not be displayed. If a flag is damaged, so we should not display that flag. No other flag should be placed higher than or above or side by the national flag. Like we are hoisting a national flag, we can't put any other flag on the side or above the flag. The Indian national flag should not be used for decorating the streets and buildings and as on a ribbon cloth during celebration. But we children, we can see that this point, the national flag should not be used for decorating the streets. Nowadays we can see that in many areas people are decorating with the flag. So we should not do it. We should not do it. The Indian national flag should not be used for decorating the streets and buildings. We should not decorate our street and buildings with a national flag. So children, you will learn this point, and on our next class we will do this exercise. Thank you, students.